Kat and Nat here in the WW studio, and we are cooking up some of our favorite WW recipes. Today is the 2-ingredient dough turkey pepperoni pizza.
I'm gonna blow your mind. Are you ready? You just need 2 ingredients, literally, and some of your toppings and cheese. But the dough that we're gonna make is self-rising flour and some yogurt.
That's amazing. We're gonna be making personalized pizzas today.
Yes.
So the kids love to dress their own pizzas, and you get to put whatever toppings you love. So everyone feels like, you know, they're getting creative and making their own pizza.
And just so you know, it's not about perfectionism, it's about having fun and delicious things.
Okay.
You gotta get your hands dirty. Are they clean?
Yes.
Good. It's a trick
Always.
question. They should be clean. You're gonna put some flour down.
And this is such a better alternative to ordering in pizza also, because it's family tradition, something to look forward to, and when the whole family has fun.
And you know what goes in it.
And you know what goes in it.
Oh, it's just kind of like therapy. You know what I mean?
Just get in there.
Get in there, okay? And you have our little rolling pin there. So let's get this going first.
This is just like all the bakers do on TV.
1, that's 2. Yeah, it's good, great.
Okay. Now we roll it out, right?
And this is where you're gonna wanna also do your hands, because it will get a little bit stickier.
Hey, mama pizza dough.
Now you're getting
I don't think
fancy.
this one works like that.
Now you're getting fancy.
So you're gonna put these pizzas on the parchment paper, and you're gonna cook till almost halfway through. Then you're gonna put your ingredients on, and you're gonna stick it back in so the cheese melts and everything finishes cooking.
Delicious.
And there we go. We have our 4 individual pizzas ready to go in the oven for 18 minutes. Okay.
Look what I did.
Okay, so this is about 18 minutes just out of the oven, and now we're gonna top it. We're gonna sauce first. Your favorite, you know, tomato pizza sauce.
I'll do the cheese hot in your heels.
Okay.
So we're doing mozzarella cheese, which is amazing. Go ahead.
Turkey pepperoni.
This is Parmesan. See, like this, Nat?
That is beautiful.
Okay.
Now, obviously, the kids can dress it any way that they want. If they don't like it spicy, we don't put it as spicy. Now it's gonna go into the oven for a few more minutes until the cheese is melted.
We baked it, now eat it.
I love it. I mean, and let's garnish it with a little bit of fresh herbs. Do you like oregano or basil?
You do.
And then we can also put
some more chili.
Yes, more chili flakes and a little bit of Parmesan right on top.
Okay.
And again, you can use any ingredients you like on this pizza. My daughter loves broccoli on her pizza, so, and onions.
And onions. I'm gonna cut it just because this looks like a really fun tool to have in your kitchen.
Here we go.
Are you ready? So this is the 2-ingredient dough. Oh, so good.
I can't tell the difference, and it tastes delicious.
The basil's delicious too, Nat.
Thank you. Guys, that couldn't have been easier. You don't need to give up pizza night to have a healthy pizza that everyone in the family loves.
I'm just gonna eat and not talk.
Okay.
Go to www.com for more recipes and to find this one. Let us know what your favorite one is. This was so good.
So good.